Why does everyone in the community hate Charge, and why does Project Moon make identities based off of Charge generally weaker? Well, that's why I'm here to rant about it. So, a basic introduction to Charge, that it's the 7th status that is often associated with the Envy Sin Affinity, is, well, basically a simple explanation is you gain Charge status on your IDs usually from skill 1s and 2s, and you use this Charge currency you gain to cash it out on big skills, usually like skill 3s or skill 2s, and you get increased coin power, base power, or raw damage from these skills that you use your Charge from. But the main issue with Charge is that it takes a while to gain these charge to gain the Charge currency, and that the results aren't very high. Well, comparing it to other teams like the House of Spiders or probably Burn Tremor, the difference between these two teams is that Charge is way more difficult to play, because you can't just use win rate and expect high results. You have to use your brain and synergize with the teams. I think the main issue why people hate Charge is that it just plays so differently compared to others. Like, you have to use team synergy way more often than with other teams to gain the Charge required for the big skills. And as I said before, like Burn Tremor, it deals way more damage than Charge and is generally way easier to play. So then why do I love Charge and the identities from Charge? Well, in my opinion, the Charge identities are way more unique than other identities. Like, the closest you can compare is Poise, but Poise still plays very differently from Charge. And that is, I just like setting up, I don't know, like 20 Charge and using it on big skills. It's very fun to see big numbers. But the issue is that it's really difficult sometimes, especially with older identities that gain way less Charge, to get 20 Charge and use it on the big skills. And of course, and I think another reason why actually people hate Charge is their perceived reception on Charge identities. I don't think people see them as damage dealers. They see them as status inflictors. Like, Warp Corp Yisang is just an insane Rupture inflictor, but see, it's a Rupture identity. People see it as Rupture. Meanwhile, it's mostly a Charge identity that was focused on Rupture, but the community's perception was it's now just a Rupture identity. And yeah, I think I can see the point why people say that. It's because for the longest time, up until the newest season, Charge didn't really have any synergies. Like, there was Warp Corp Otis, she synergized with other Warp Corp identities, but the main issue is they couldn't really help each other. Like, you could use an ego to gain like Charge and give other identities Charge, but they didn't. At the end of the day, it didn't really synergize between each other. And honestly, I believe that Charge became a fully functioning status when LCE ADD Gregor released, because I believe he's the first pure Charge support while still dealing very good damage. Like, before we had Multicrack Heathcliff, he was good support as well with the electricity buff, but the issue was he dealt no damage. Like, that's the main issue of Charge, really. It's supposed to be high damage, high risk, high reward, but most identities aren't that. It's high risk for a mediocre reward. And the reason why ADD Gregor really fixes Charge is because he just gives everyone so much Charge potency while dealing damage to himself, and that's what is a good Charge support. And I hope we get more Charge identities like that in the future. But the second most recent identity released, Dimension Shredder Yisang, I believe is a very correct way to make a Charge identity that is focused on damage. Beforehand, it was usually just use skill 1s and 2s, gain Charge, and then skill 3s to deal damage. That's how it works. But with Dimension Shredder, what I love about him is his evade skill. And his evade skill is his most powerful skill because it gives him Dimension Castaway buffs, which allow him to reuse his skill 1. And the reason why he wants to reuse his skill 1 and use it for free from his passive is because he gains a shit ton of charge from it, like a lot of charge. And also to activate his enhanced skill free is very easy as well. And I believe he's a very good identity because of those two main reasons: his evades and his dimensional castaway buffs. And that just makes him way more fun to play, especially seeing how he can well, he's a selfish charge identity. Like, I think everyone can agree with that, but he benefits heavily from other charge support. And I think that's how they should be continuing making charge identities. There should be identities that don't have as much damage, but support, and there should be identities that have a lot of damage, but don't have the support. But I think Dimension Shredder Isang, the issue is what I talked about before. People didn't see him as a charge ID, they saw him as a rupture identity, which he clearly wasn't. He's just a rupture identity due to mirror dungeons and all that. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a single status identity to be released. But I think people also hate him is because he doesn't have as much damage as he should have had for like other identities. He has a comparable raw damage to Ring Honglu, but the problem is he has got an insane bleed status. And yeah, honestly, Dimension Shredder Yisang is he's a good identity. He's got a very bad infliction and very bad just very bad infliction and damage that could have been better. But I love the ideas because it's so uniquely designed and he gets so much charge. It's just cool to play, especially mixing it with ADD Gregor gives him like 10 charge per skill 1, and if you reuse it like twice a turn, which is very easy to do if you just use evades and enhanced skill freeze, he just gains 20 charge for free, and that's very fun to play. But yeah, I think the reason why Charge is so weak is because they only recently started releasing IDs that make Charge better. But the issue is there's multi-Cragfoss. She's very good, but she's a pretty old ID, so she's kinda outdated. Still, very good ID. I heavily recommend. But we got like 4 good Charge identities and the rest are just very selfish. And I believe we should get more identities that focus on charge support and maybe like a huge charge damage. And in total, I just think the main 3 issues with charge is 1, getting those skill frees because it takes a while, and 2 is that some identities have very low charge, and the third reason is that we have low charge support for those identities that don't gain any charge. And there are 3 main identities that fix these issues on their own. W Corp Heathcliff with his defense skill, he can gain skill freeze. Dimension Shredder Yisang, he gets a shit ton of charge, like a lot of it, but his damage is kinda lacking. And ADD Gregor is just the charge support we've needed. But I hope in the future we gain more identities that can help charge, and we have identities that do a lot of damage and can get skill freeze without much issues. And I just hope in general the charge identities get more competent, because I get the reason why they're very lukewarm with these identities is because if they release an unbalanced charge identity, it's gonna be extremely strong. So it's really difficult to get the sweet spot where an identity is good enough as is, but with charge support it isn't overly broken. And I believe that Dimension Shredder Yisang is the correct step, but he is still on the weaker side. And yeah, that's the slope today. I just hope that people give charge a better shot. It's a very fun status team to play, and it's way more fun than, like, I don't know, House of Spiders kill everyone. That's very boring in my opinion. But yeah, that's it.
Goodbye.
충전 기능 점검. 단숨에 정렬.
출력 최대치.
호랑이를 잡으려고 그랬으면 누구도 잡아먹힐 각오를 했어야지.
이 정도 시행착오는 가고 있어. 어차피 감정을 잠깐. 그렇다고
이번 차량을
무작정
정리하면
맞으려는 말은
다 드리겠습니다. 충전 기능 점검. 단숨에 정렬.
사랑과 정의.
야, 이건 좀 받아볼 만한 값이야.
아마도 이런 날이었을 거야. 나보다 먼저 엄마가 집에 돌아오는 날. 학교 마치고 집에 돌아왔을 때 문 너머에서 엄마의 발소리가 들리니 그 울림에 신이 나곤 했지. 공격 범위 확인.
출력 형태 변경. 잘 지켜.
방금 멈췄어! 너희들의 사랑의 힘이, 빛의 힘이 저 어둡고 악한 아르카나들을 뒤흔들었어. 이대로면 승리도 시간 문제겠지? 자세에 틀림은 없군.
퇴장 시간이 되었답니다. 그럼 안녕히. 틈새에 잡을까요?
사라져라!
야, 이건 좀 받아볼 만한 값이야.
와, 방금 건 엄청 고통스러웠겠다. 그 고통과 미움을 똑같이 적에게 돌려줘 볼까?
나를 여기까지 모은 것도 지만 일이다. 이게 요시히데야. 이기려면 그 칼을 싸게 뽑았어야지.
좋아. 이 보고서는 바로 상부로 옮기겠어. 박수 쳐줄까? 아, 당신. 휴식은 전부 취했나?